Welcome back to the Guy-Terran channel. Today we're going to show you how to
cut a watermelon.
Okay, are you ready? First thing we did was what?
Wash that.
Okay, so you should always wash your watermelon first. So we're going to cut it into half. Hold it really tight. And you need a really big knife. And you just swirl it around. That's a good one. Ooh! We're going to flip this one over like this. That's a good way to just keep it steady. Slices like this. And you can easily get the other side. Around like this, and then we're going to cut it again. Again, you want to keep it together. So now we're going to use the other half of the watermelon, and we're going to cut it into cubes. Hold your watermelon really tight. Beautiful. Grab your bowl. Just cut it. Right. Look at that. Beautiful. The nice thing about it is, especially in the hot summer months, you cut it and you put it in the fridge, and it is so refreshing. But it's really good when you cut it before you would like to eat it, and you chill it a little bit, especially in the hot summer months. I don't know about you guys, but in California it gets really hot, and it's one of our favorite things. We love watermelon. We make watermelon popsicles, which Ava loves.
Watermelon juice?
We make watermelon juice. I think we should show them how to make watermelon juice. We make watermelon with fresh lemons from outside, so it's a watermelon lemon juice. And you can make your cubes as small or as big as you like.
You can make big cubes.
Again, we slice, 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 turn it around, and then you do the same thing. And then you slice again, slice again, slice again. I think that again, some of these may be a little smaller, but that's okay because that doesn't mean they're not good. They're still really yummy. They're just smaller bites of goodness. Yeah. So here you have it, guys. Watermelon cubes and
Watermelon lemon.
Should we taste it? Okay, I'm gonna take this. Watermelon is so good. So high. Vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium. It's a great way to eat your water. It's really good. See you guys next video.